Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to know if an eBay buyer is legit. Are you selling on eBay and want to avoid scams or problem buyers? In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to spot a legit buyer on eBay before shipping anything. Now let's follow these steps together. The first step is to check their feedback score. And to do that, just go to the buyer's profile by clicking on their username. First you have to go to ebay.com and make sure you're logged in using your account's credentials. Now in the buyer section right here, in seller, as you can see these options right here, look for go to selling. And here once you receive an offer, you're gonna click on the buyer's profile, and a good buyer will have a feedback score above 10 with the recent activity. Be cautious if their score is 0 or negative. The second step is to look at feedback as a buyer. Now in their feedback, make sure they actually made purchases. And look for the prompts, payment, smooth transaction, etc. And avoid if they have returned abuse or are flagged in sellers' reviews. As you can see the feedback here. Now the third step is to watch for red flags in messages. If they ask for off-site communication, partial payments, or strange requests, be alert. Legit buyers won't ask to pay outside eBay. And the fourth step is to use seller protection. Always ship with tracking and signature confirmation, especially for high value items. And upload tracking infos ASAP to stay covered under eBay seller protection. With these checks, you'll avoid 99% of the trouble buyers. Set your buyer requirement in settings to block unpaid buyers, etc. and report suspicious activities to eBay immediately, and trust your instincts. If it feels off, cancel the transaction. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.